hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Abrasive Wheel Safety Training course. In the first lesson, you will learn the basics of abrasive wheels, and step by step, you will learn other safety tactics as well. So let's get started. So what is an abrasive wheel? Abrasive wheels are rotating wheels used for a wide range of applications in the industry, from grinding and dressing to cutting materials such as metal and concrete. Abrasive wheels can be attached to various mechanical tools, such as petrol saws and angle grinders. These can also be used in workshop grinder machines. Let's look at some benefits of using an abrasive wheel. It can cut through hardened steel. It is capable of producing smooth finishes. It takes less time. It can maintain precision in any situation. It needs very little pressure. It has enhanced grinding productivity. You need to know the proper use of abrasive wheels. Maintaining safety is a very important aspect of this matter. To better understand the importance of maintaining safety while using abrasive wheels, let's meet Joshua. Joshua was a newly hired employee at a site. On the first day of his work, he was instructed to use a petrol saw with an abrasive wheel to cut metals. When he started the machine, he was severely injured and taken to the hospital. Can you guess the reason behind this? Yes, you're correct. First and foremost, he was new to this. Therefore, his knowledge of abrasive wheels and equipment should have been examined. The machines should then be inspected before being used. If he had known the use of abrasive wheels and the safety concerns, then this situation wouldn't have happened. I think now you know why it's important to have a proper knowledge of abrasive wheels. Different abrasive wheels are used in various machining operations in workshops, depending on the necessity and need. The abrasive wheels are chosen based on the following criteria: the spindle speed of the machine, the pattern of the surface modification, the contact area between the wheel and the substance, the machine's type, the condition of the wheel. Let's learn about some commonly used abrasive wheels. Firstly, let's look at this straight grinding wheel. This is the most frequent type of wheel used on a pedestal or bench grinders. These wheels are typically used to sharpen equipment such as chisels and lawnmower blades. Then there is cylinder or wheel ring. This type of wheel has a long and broad surface. They are mostly used to produce flat surfaces in horizontal or vertical spindle grinders. The thing you are looking at is called cup wheel. This type of wheel is commonly used for polishing stone or concrete. If the grit is fine enough, it can even perform delicate operations like paint and adhesive removal. This straight cup wheel is used as an alternative to cup wheels in cutters and tool grinders because it has an additional surface. Grinding with this type of wheel is most advantageous. The next one is saucer grinding wheel. This is used to sharpen twist drills and milling cutters. Another type of abrasive wheel is large diameters grinding wheels. These are similar to straight wheels but significantly larger. These wide surface wheels are used to polish the exterior of spherical items such as carbide blanks. Large diameter grinding wheels with diameters of up to 36 inches are available. This is a segmented grinding wheel. These wheels come in various forms, including 6A2, 1A1 and 2A2T. These grinders remove huge amounts of material quickly without hurting the surface of your work when used with cooling or lubricating fluids. Last but not least, there is the cutting face grinding wheel. These types of wheels grind away material to cut through things. The breadth of the grinding edge is often quite thin and removes a large amount of material at once. These precise instruments are used for a variety of tasks, ranging from tile cutting to sawtooth shaping. I think we have covered most of the common types of abrasive wheels. Now let me tell you one of the interesting facts about these wheels. Soft abrasive wheels are often used on hard materials, whereas hard ones are typically used on soft ones. Congratulations, we have reached the end of this lesson. In this first lesson of this Abrasive Wheels safety training course, you have learnt the basics of abrasive wheels along with some common types of abrasive wheels. In the next lesson, you will learn about the characteristics of abrasive wheels. So, see you in the next lesson.